Hey, welcome back. So I realized that after coming home from office every day, I was spending more time on my smartphone than was really needed. So I did a few things. For alarm, I got a digital desk clock. And for reading books, I got Kindle. And to remind me of things, I got a notebook on which I've started writing things. But somehow quite a few things were still missing, most of which only my phone could do. So finally, after a lot of thought and consideration, I got a digital home assistant, Amazon Echo Dot. But what about all the privacy issues? And how exactly does it allow me to keep the phone out of my bedroom completely? I'll answer all of that in this video. Before we begin, let's unbox this thing quickly. It comes in an attractive box. Taking out the insides, the Echo Dot is packed upside down and is loosely packed so it can easily fall off. The unboxing experience could have been slightly better. Let's power it up. The LEDs look awesome even on camera, but they look even better in person.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So what all does it do instead of my phone doing it? Well, to begin with, music. From both my Prime Music store and Saavn, which is free. These two combined have so far played every song and genre I've asked it to. Next, I use it for meditation. There are a lot of skills regarding meditation, but currently I use my own meditation tracks playlist which I've made on my Amazon Prime Music. It works exactly as I wanted it to. And for music and meditation, there's a sleep timer which is very useful. Next up, I use it for a combination of reminders, timers, and Google Calendar entries. This is very important to me. Reminders and timers are stored on Amazon servers, not Google's. So how I use this is if I want a reminder when I'm at home in the evening away from my phone, or if I want to set a quick timer for a shorter time, I ask it to remind me or set a timer. And if it's something I need to see when I'm outside my house, working, or in general I want it to be seen on my phone, then I ask it to add it to calendar. I also use the Echo to call my close family friends without needing to touch the phone at all, directly either to their Echo devices if they own one, or Amazon app. Lastly, I use it for a skill called Nightlight, which helps illuminate the pitch black room in case I need to wake up in the middle of the night. All of these things combined allow me to keep my phone outside my room completely. It's really calming and peaceful. You should try it once. And now what about the privacy issues? Well, Amazon's answer to that is that there's a mute button. And also, they say that they only send the info to the Amazon servers after you use the wake word, which in my case is Alexa. If you trust that, that's great. Else, as the teardown shows, there's no internal battery. So what I do instead is turn it off from the mains. It's as simple as that. If it doesn't have battery, there's no way it can listen to it when you have no power to it. Alright, so we have reached the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section how you use your digital personal assistant, and also what you thought of my idea of not having the phone in the bedroom at all. As always, if you haven't subscribed already, do so. It helps me immensely. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon. Bye.